Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shawcraft One in my old barn door, and I have some journals to add to the booth for Miss Jane Dilley, and it looks like she sent me a little goodie here. Let me see what we got. Thank you for your videos and all you do. Hugs, Jane. Aw, thank you so much, Jane. I love this. How stinking cute is this? Just the sweetest little card. This is just like a little card. It looks like she got it from Duke Energy, and it's adorable. And then she's put this, just this little piece of linen on there. I love the tiny attacher. I'm still having not got a tiny attacher, but I will eventually. And then she sent me some little bling. I love the bling trim. Thank you so much, Jane. That was so sweet of you to send me a gift. I truly appreciate that. Thank you, doll. All right, so it looks like we've got 3 journals here. So let's dig in and see what goodies she sent us. Okay. Oh, look at that pretty cover. And I'm not sure. I think this is the front. So it's tied with this pretty little red ribbon. Look at the gorgeous flowers. How pretty. And then she's got the little lace here, and then the rosette trim on the spine, and then the fabric cover on the back with the lace trim as well. So let's see. This one's called Lively Poppy. It's recycled cardboard cover, covered in fabric with lace ribbon closure. It's one signature with 68 pages, and it measures 9 by 6. She used Stamperia, DMC, and miscellaneous papers and tea-dyed papers. Look at how pretty. I love the Stamperia papers. They are so gorgeous. And then she's got this pretty little pocket here, and inside the pocket you have this little tag. And then, oh, how cute. What a cute little piece of stationery. I love this. It's like a little memo sheet, but this little flower, I don't know if you can tell. Maybe you can tell, but it's embossed. Well, you can tell on the back. How pretty is that? And I love, love, love the colors that she's put into this journal. Very pretty. She's got the little flower down here. This paper is gorgeous. Oh, there's another one of those little memo sheets as a tip-in. Oh, I love the back of that paper. Isn't that pretty? So very pretty. Little poppies, lined paper. She's got a coffee dyed doily there. And I think, okay, that's just attached. She added bling on this page. Got a little Rita flip, and you have a little embellishment here that she's tucked into that little tuck. Music paper, and it's on the back of a Stamperia paper. Oh wait, we're stuck together. Okay, there we go. I have a little tuck here with a journaling card. Very, very pretty. I love that with the little cluster. Little fabric flip here with laces and fabrics. Look at that. That's a very vintage fabric. So you have all those sweet little pieces. She's got some stenciling down here on the bottom. A little tuck here with a tag. Little Rita flip here with a journaling card. And again, she's done some stenciling, and it looks like some coffee dyeing or tea dyeing. Pretty little pocket here with a couple of pieces of embellishments. Little tuck there with a tag. Oh, how pretty is that? That's the center of the signature. Little tip in there. That's very pretty. And a couple of journaling cards in that tuck for you. And a tag tucked in there. What a pretty little tip in. This is like a little tiny fabric flip, and I love the colors that she's used in there. I love yellows and purples together. A little pocket with a couple of ephemera pieces. Beautiful, beautiful paper she's used in here. There's a pocket with a journaling card and an ephemera piece. Tucked there. Pretty little flower. Gorgeous. And then you have a little lace pocket in the back with a little embellishment tucked in there. So this one is called Lively Poppy, I think. Yep, Lively Poppy. So that's how you'll find it in the shop. So let's grab the next one and see what we have. Okay, so the next one we have is this one with the pretty timepieces. And I love her little collage she's done here on the cover. Sorry if the camera's jiggling. She's got it tied with some little ribbon here. And then she has the lace on the spine. And then it's the fabric cover on the back too. This one feels really good in the hand. It's like it just fits in your hand. It's got the little book edges or the book corners. And let's see if we can find our information sheet. Okay, this one's called Steampunk Fun. Recycled cardboard covered with fabric, lace, and gears. It's 3 signatures with 144 pages, and it's 7.5 by 5.5. She used tea-dyed papers and Stamperia papers. Very, very pretty. Okay, so I'm going to tuck this in this front pocket. Nope, I'm not. It's a little bit too big for the pocket. So in that front pocket, you have a couple of journaling pieces. Very pretty. You got a tag there and some lines paper tucked into that pocket. I like this. This is very pretty. A little tag tucked into a Rita flip, and then a tag tucked into that pocket. I like the colors in this journal. I love that. That's cool. Very pretty. I love the steampunk style. Pocket, tag there in the pocket. Pretty little cluster. There's the center of your first signature, and she's got the little key dangle tied there. A little fabric and lace flip. So you have several different pieces of fabrics. Very pretty. Have a little pocket there, and it looks like she's made a little card here. It's like a little postcard on the back. Tag tucked into that pocket. There's a tag there. A little tip in. Okay, and that's the end of the first signature. Pretty little coffee dyed index card tag there with the lace on the edge. There's your Rita flip with a couple of ephemera pieces. Love that. That's pretty. It's like just the simplest little thing to put on a page, just decorates it so much. There's a belly band there with a tag on, little postcard tag. That's pretty. Ooh, I love this center. And then here you have a little key dangle in the center as well, and a little gear piece also. A little daily hustle. Another little fabric flip with lots of different fabrics in there. Okay, and this is a little belly band, and you've got a little journaling card tucked into there. It's got the lace on the belly band. And then the third signature starts here. Oop, we're stuck together. Little pocket there with another one of those little postcard tags. Little tag pocket there, or tuck. Billy band there with the journaling card. Love the little air balloons, the hot air balloons. There's a little tuck there. That's the center of the signature, and it has the little key dangle in there. Little fabric flip. And then this, okay, this is a fold out or tip in, however you want to call it. There's a coffee dyed index card, large size coffee dyed index card. And then we're stuck together just a little bit down here at the bottom. There we go. And then in the back you have the large pocket with a tag and a journaling card tucked into that pocket. So this one's called Steampunk Fun, and that's how you'll find it in the shop. And let's grab the last one and see what we have. Okay, last up we have this gorgeous fabric covered journal. It's got this beautiful teal flower tied with this little ribbon. She's got the lace on the edges, it looks like on front and back, and then she's got the lace on the spine as well. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a sparkle in the little gold design on the front cover on the fabric. All right, let's see. This one is 8.5 by 6. Excuse me. It's a recycled cardboard fabric cover with lace and ribbon closure, 4 signatures, and 216 pages. And she used tea-dyed paper, Stamperia, and Prima papers. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Very pretty front pocket here with the lace and the flower. And then you have a couple of journaling pieces. Beautiful papers. And there's 4 signatures, so we'll flip kind of quickly. This can be a tuck. This one's stuck together just a tad. Little tip in. A little tag there. Oops. Oh, that's pretty paper. These are cool with the watercolors, or what it looks like watercolors or water. There's the center of your first signature. That's pretty paper. Okay, you have a tip in here. Fabric, no, not a tip in. It's a fabric flip. Little tuck there. Very pretty. Lace on the edges, some of the pages. That's pretty. I love this paper. A little fabric flip here with all different kinds of fabrics. Coloring page. Pocket here with a couple pieces of ephemera or tag. A little pocket there with some ephemera. Pretty lace on the edge there. Sweet little cluster. That's pretty paper. There's the center of the second signature. Tip in there and a tuck there. There's a pocket with a couple of pieces in there. This is third signature. That's pretty. Little tuck there. Another tip in. I like that with the barn on it. Very pretty. This is one of my favorite paper packs. I love those papers. There's the center. This is a great journal. I like the simplicity of the journal, that it's not just stuff so full. Those are the types of journals that I really love. And then the fourth signature. Little tip in there. Little fabric flip there. Fabric and lace. And there's a Rita flip with a little tag. Beautiful little journaling card there from Stamperia. There's the center. The little tuck there. That's cool paper. And you got a few pieces of ephemera in that pocket. A little tip in there. Rita flip with a piece of ephemera. And then this is the back pocket, a kiss to build a dream on. And you have the little piece tucked in to there. And so what was this one called? Oh, this one's called Teal Floral. Okay, so that's how you'll find it in the shop, as Teal Floral. So run over and grab them in the shop if you found one that you love. If you have any comments or questions for me or Jane, you can leave them in the comment box below. Please like and subscribe if you will, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified for more fun videos. And I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Big hugs.